Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify store. So guys, all you have to do, go to Microsoft Clarity and click new project, and from here copy your store Shopify and add your name of store. As you can see here guys, this for example test one, and copy your store from here and choose this section and click add new project. As you can see here, after that guys, you see this option. You see get tracking code. Copy this code. As you can see here guys, code head element and get code. Copy this one, go to Shopify, go to theme, from theme go to three dot line here and click edit code and wait loading this page, and from here click add new layout for example, and or just wait guys, click this option add new. From here you can paste your code guys easily, as you can see here on the layout, and click save option. This is how you do to add guys Clarity on Shopify store. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.